My name is Ostap. I am 21 years old professional ski rider from Krasnaya Polyana, Russia. I grew up here and from the early ages I knew that I really like mountains a lot. For the first time I've seen Realme from my friend. Then it was pretty new brand for Russia and I didn't know much about it. I decided to go for the 8 series because it was one of the best phones in the lineup at the moment. As a professional ski rider, I spend a lot of time in the mountains in both winter and summer, so I really like to take photos of them for my social media. As I mentioned before, the camera is one of the main features of a phone for me. 4 different cameras help me to do all the photos I ever need. Quality is also on point. I like to make some adjustments in post. I have a lot of room to work with. I think that for this price, no other phone can show such great results in terms of photo and video quality. I really like what Realme is doing in the market right now, so I'm expecting 9 series with even better camera system. Maybe something for the low light photography, or maybe even more dynamic range. But I think that Realme will surprise all the fans again with the upcoming 9 series.